The concept of outgroup intends for the user to go through the process of creating and nurturing the flower by interacting with it through different states of interaction. The created flower will then be displayed in a collaborative flower bed to portray to the user how all their efforts contribute to a bigger picture within a collaborative environment. In this case, it would be nature. Our concept not only creates a fun playground for the user to interact with their flower through our system, but it also raises awareness and brings their attention to contributing to our environment. The first interaction starts with the user making their own flower using the given materials. This triggers creativity within the user and further establishes a form of ownership over their flower. Once the user finishes making their flower, they are required to blend the flower into the flower bed by plugging the flower into the active spot on the flower bed. This will cause the flower to light up and start flickering rapidly, which indicates to the user that they have successfully brought it into life. This interaction intends to bring a sense of joy and excitement for the user as they see their flower being brought to life. The next interaction is for the user to taking care of the flower by watering it. This interaction is realistic in that the user uses real water to water the flower, which is give live feedback on how much is enough. Once the flower has received enough water from the user, it will vibrate to show the user that it is growing. After watering the flower, the user is prompted to use bug repellent in the form of balls to throw onto the bug beds around the flower, from which the light flickering rapidly means the bug is alive and well, which the keys flickering of the light would mean the user has successfully killed the bug. This interaction intends to bring effort into nurturing for the flower to imitate the needs of a real plant, creating a small challenge to make it memorable and fun for the user. Finally, once the flower is fully taken care of, the user will then choose a spot within the flower bed for them to plant the flower. This step allows the user to visualize how their creation becomes part of a collective flower bed environment. The message we aim to convey through this interaction is for the user to understand that no matter how big or small the action is, bringing something into life is meaningful and beautiful in terms of contributing to our environment.